Hey YouTube fans, we're over here at the West Fork of the Stones River, and this is the Thompson Lane trailhead. We got George over here is eager to catch. We got 2 rods, we got a net, and ours yeah, we're gonna use a live bait, and we got our live bait holder, which is Slow Tro. We're gonna see if we can catch some smallmouth bass. This park closes at 7:30 and it is 6:41. We got roughly 50 minutes. So we're gonna see what we can do. But there's the canoe access area right there, and then this is the historical lane. This is the boat launch over here. We're gonna get in the water. Look at the deers over there. We got Bambis and little deers. It's a beautiful place. Look at that river. Oh yeah, feels good. Feels good. Slow it down, George. We're looking for a live bait right now. We're on a hunt for a live bait right now. We got all these deers. We're waiting. Clear water, beautiful. Beautiful clear water. Oh, deer's like, we gotta go. All right.
Pancake.
A bunch. Are you recording those? Are you
Yeah.
getting close up with it? You got the camera with lens that you can see from the back end. Okay? Keep recording and watching.
That's big creek chubs.
Yeah.
There's some fat creek chubs.
Can't let them go though. I know this is our stance. Let's see how many fish we can catch. One of those. The water in it? Yeah. 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Recorder, are you recording or watching, buddy?
Please
Make sure in your mind that you're recording. You're watching. We got 3. How many we got?
3,
3, 4,
5.
5. Whoa. 5.
6. And then 7. 7.
That's 7. So you're gonna do one more cast, and then we should be done. Is that all?
Should be good.
Is that all?
Yeah.
All right, good work. Keep attention. All right, folks, with the Stones River over here by Thompson Lane Station, and we got ourselves big chubs.
Some nice big chubs.
I'm gonna set Georgie up first. We're trying to jump out. We only got 6. So Georgie, I'm gonna teach you first how to do this. So it goes through the top nose right here. Hook it to the nose part, not the bottom lip. Go like that. Like that, okay? Now what are you gonna do? Make sure drag is set. You wanna cast it. Look at those deers right there. I'm gonna cast it upstream. Hold this.
Okay.
Like always cast it upstream. And you gotta hold it. Now you gotta reel up your slack. You did tell me you're having a hard time with this reel. You need a new reel. Oh, there's
Mama over there.
this one fall away right here and turned around because you were moving. And this reel is no good. We're gonna throw it away. Oh, one had it probably. This reel is no good. You didn't tell me this reel is having a hard time with you. So what will happen is you're reeling it, one will grab it. One already grabbed it. One grabbed it. And reel up. One grabbed it. Fish on. Yes. Yes, this is the guy I saw just a second ago. Yes, don't. Yes. Look at this one. All right, guys. I see a lot of people catching the fish. He swallowed it. Oh my goodness. Poor guy. So, swallowed it.
We're gonna fix that problem.
Gosh. Poor guy swallowed it. Swallowed it.
Oh man.
We don't want to kill him.
We're not gonna kill him.
So, I'm gonna reach in here. Got that out.
Thanks, buddy.
Is our bait live? No, bait died. So, for my technique is, if we catch a fish, what we'll do is we'll feed the bait if the bait is dead. Okay? We'll feed it because it deserves to eat that. And thanks for the fight, you know? For the appreciation of the fight, we'll feed the fish. We'll make sure it has a food for tonight. Because
make sure its belly's full.
Make sure its belly's full. We're gonna feed it. We're gonna feed it. Yep,
Like
yep.
the
Swallow it.
creek
Swallow that good creek chub, and then we're gonna let him go. Right there. How'd that work, George?
It's Baba.
All right. This reel, we're gonna throw it away, and we're gonna buy a $50 reel because this reel is no good. Okay. Just there. All right.
I think we're gonna buy a Sienna.
We got another one. We're gonna hook it right through the top of his hook, like that. Thank you, Richard Jean, for teaching me this, the fishing machine. George, your turn. You're gonna cast it that way. Step right here. Step up a little bit to the shoal, and no talking, okay? No moving hard. You're gonna cast it upstream, way upstream to those bushes right there.
Side cast?
Go ahead. That's a good cast. You might have to move up a little bit. That's where the fish is. Reel up so you can feel, and that's good. And I've no pulling until it start. Wait. You might have a bite. So reel. Live bait fishing is different than your reel up. That's good. Stop it and see if you have somebody there. If not, we'll move it up a little bit. But let's not talk a lot. Let me catch one too. Get him. Yes. This is a big one. Yes. Keep your rod high. Yes. That's my boy. Yes. Good one. Yes.
Let's
Yes.
go, baby.
Yes.
Tough
Grab him
weather,
hard.
too.
And yes. Yes.
Beautiful fish.
Grab him.
Oh my gosh.
Thumb him real good, strong. Yes. Show him off.
Beautiful fish.
There's a
Look
color.
at
Turn it
that
sideways.
bronze. What's that bronze
Yes.
color?
Very nice one. Lower it a little bit. There it is. Now release it nicely right over there.
Oh, he's biting me. Oh.
Nice. Yes. Boom. 2 for 2. See that? This time I want you to cast it at that bush, right?
Mhm.
All right, to the lip like that. Now scoot on over a little bit that way. A little farther that way. Step forward. Make sure you're
That
stuck.
bush?
Yeah, those bushes. Or go up a little bit. A step or two. Put your bait in the water. Yeah. Now cast it out to that bushes. Yeah, awesome. Now pay attention. Don't move that water. Just reel up the slack and wait. Reel up the slack. If the slack is fall down, reel up the. That's all. And then wait. Just let it sit there because you got a live bait. They'll find it. Oh man, I lost a live bait. I gotta be more prepared. Look it right through the nose. All right. Good cast. Good cast. Good cast. Make sure you come with me. Cast it right over the under the ledge over there. You see that little ledge? The ledge is right there. Rock ledge. Do you see it?
Where?
Deep water right here. Let's see if we can catch a couple more. I lost already one bait. Lucky bait. You gotta have no slippery fingers when you catch them. Let's see if we can go to the next shoal. See somebody's available there. It is 7:10. Hey folks, we caught some fish. Got to explore it. Not very long, it got dark. But we made it out. Now we got 2 fish. Hope you all enjoy our video. Hit the subscribe button and the like button and the bell for our next video. Thanks for watching.